2011 Chevy Silverado 5.3 liter V8. It's got a light cam in it, not a big one, just a baby cam. And they put high flow converters on it, there and there. And then he brought it to us, and it's got a dreaded third cam, but it's high flow also. They brought it to us and wanted us to make it sound good. So guess what we did? We put a vibrant 3-inch in, 3-inch out bottle muffler, or resonator they call it, but most people call it bottle muffler. All stainless steel. Then it's got 3-inch to 2 1/4 wide pipe, 2 1/4 mandrel bent tailpipes. That side and that side. I haven't done a video in a week, guys, because of the snow. So just bear with me. I'm warming back up. And then we put 5-inch roll tips there and there. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. That's what the vibrant muffler looks like right there. There's sound decibels on it. What do you guys think? Let it idle. Gosh. You can hear the cam a little bit. Again, give it gas. All right. That still sound too bad. I like it. Vibrant. Bottle exhaust.